Hi, let us continue studying fraction. Now we have subtraction of similar fractions. Similar fractions are fractions with the same denominators. Okay? Now we have here 5 over 2 minus 1 over 2 or 1 half. We're simply going to copy the denominator, and that is over 2, and 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 over 2 is the same as 2. Okay? 7 over 3 minus 4 over 3. Copy the denominator. We have here 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 3 over 3 is the same as 1. Now we have 3/4 minus 5 over 4. Okay? We're going to copy the denominator. Okay? And in sign numbers, we know how to subtract, right? So, positive 3 minus 5. The answer is negative 2. Okay? And negative 2/4 is the same as negative 1/2. Okay? Here we have negative 8 over 3 minus positive 1/3. Sign numbers. Okay? We're going to copy the denominator. And then, negative 8 minus 1. The answer is negative 9. Okay, negative 9 over 3 is the same as negative 3. Okay? Now we have 6 over 5 minus negative 4/5. Okay? Copy the denominator. We have 5. 6 minus negative 4, that is positive 10. That's correct. And 10 over 5 is 2. Now we have negative 4 over 7 minus 9 over 7. Copy the denominator. And then negative 4 minus 9, the answer is negative 13 over 7. I hope you got it. Now we have subtraction of dissimilar fractions. When we say dissimilar fractions, the denominators are not the same. Okay? We have here 1/2 minus 1/3. We're going to multiply the denominators. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we cross multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. And 2 times 1 is 2. And then we're going to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. So 1/2 minus 1/3, the answer is 1 over 6. We have here 2/5 minus 4 over 3. Multiply the denominator. 5 times 3 is 15, right? And then we're going to cross multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. And then we're going to subtract. 6 minus 20 in sign numbers. The answer is, that's right, negative 14. So we have negative 14 over 15. Okay. Now we have 1/3 minus 3/4. Multiply the denominators. 3 times 4 is 12. Right? And then cross multiply again. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Then we're going to subtract. Now we have 4 minus 9 in sign numbers. The answer is 4 minus 9 is negative 5. Very good. So the answer is negative 5 over 12. And we have here 5 over 6 minus 2/3. First, multiply the denominator. 6 and 3, that is 18. Okay? And then cross multiply. Okay? 3 times 5 is 15. 6 times 2 is 12. And then subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3. Alright? That is 3 over 18. Okay? 3 over 18. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. So we have here 1 over 6. Okay? And we have negative 8 over 3 minus 6 over 5. Okay? Multiply the denominators. 1, 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And then we cross multiply. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. 5 times negative 8 is negative 40. Negative 40 minus 18, the answer is negative, that is negative 58. So we have negative 58 over 15. Okay? Now we have negative 4 over 5 minus 1 over 6. Multiply the denominator. 5 times 6 is 30. And cross multiply. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Negative 24 minus 5, the answer is, okay, that is negative 29. Negative 29 over 30. I hope you got it. Finally, we have subtraction of mixed fraction. When we say mixed fraction, there is a whole number and a fraction. Okay? Now let us solve this. 2 and 2/3 minus 1 and 1/3. We simply subtract the whole number first. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, they have the same denominator, meaning they are similar term. Okay, we're going to copy the denominator. Okay, and then 2 minus 1 for the numerator, that is 1. Therefore, 2 and 2/3 minus 1 and 1/3 is equal to 1 and 1/3. Okay? 4 and 4/5 minus 2 and 3/5. Subtract the whole number first. 4 minus 2 is 2. And then they have the same denominator. We're going to copy the denominator. And then, for the numerator, 4 minus 3. The answer is 1. Therefore, 4 and 4/5 minus 2 and 3/5, that is equal to 2 and 1/5. 5 and 1/4 minus 4 and 1/5. Subtract the whole number first. 5 and 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. And then, they have different signs. So, we're going to multiply the denominators. 4 and 5, that is 20. And then cross multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore, 5 and 1/4 minus 4 and 1/5 is equal to 1 and 1 over 20. Okay? Now we have 3 and 1/3 minus negative 1/4. Sign numbers, right? Okay, there is no whole number here. We're just going to copy the whole number. 3. Okay? 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. And then, 4 times 1 is 4. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. But we have to subtract them. Okay? 4 minus negative 3. The answer is, in sign numbers, 4 minus negative 3 is, okay, that is positive 7. Therefore, 3 and 1/3 minus negative 1/4, the answer is 3 and 7 over 12. Can you follow? Okay. Now we have 2 and 1/2 minus 1 and 2/5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. But we're going to subtract them. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore, 2 and 1/2 minus 1 and 2/5 is equal to 1 and 1 over 10. Here we have 4 and 1 over 6 minus the quantity, negative 2 and 1/5. Can you solve for this? Write your answer on the comment section, please. Thank you.